Hey, Chip Foose here. I'm at Brian Mackey's shop, and I'm here a little bit early because October 2nd through 4th, I'm going to be back here because I'm going to be working with Brian and Baileigh.
We're doing the West Coast sheet metal shaping course right here in Huntington Beach with the iconic Chip Foose at our shop just 100 yards down. He's going to be here. We're going to shape metal around one of his original bucks that he did in, what, the 90s?
Well, I've got a couple of them.
Okay.
One that I did back in the 90s when I was at Boyd's. I'm going to see if I can get the original buck from Luke DeLay that we built the Boydster over, calling Steve Mole. See if I can get the original buck from Gary Metter's 29 that track nose. I think there's 10 spaces available still.
Let's go to Baileigh.com and sign up now, and we will see you October 2nd through the 4th.
So you better get on it.